One, two, three. Ready? Exercise number 75. If you will bring me a supply of samples of this new breakfast food, I will try to close the deal with the firm myself. Full stop. During the chorus of my lecture, I shall try to show how the progress of art is related to the growth of industry. Full stop. When I know what the proposed water power scheme includes, I shall be glad to express my views. Full stop. A loud voice troubles and annoys us. Full stop. Pleasant voices resemble sweet music. Full stop. Castles in the air are fabrics which soon crumble, but dreamers have solved many a pressing problem. Full stop. Few people are able themselves to better the labor of those they blame. Full stop.